While working in the backyard today, I heard some commotion going on here in my shop crane. So I came in to take a look. And I think Mama's home right now. Might startle her. Ooh, she just fussed at me. You hear her fussing? I'm sorry. She's got 6 babies in there. I think it's a little wren. But when she flies out of there later, I'll try to get a shot of the chicks. The boys looked down there a couple times today, and the chicks were looking for some bugs or worms from them. They were excited to see him, but I don't think Mama was too excited about it. Let me see if I can get a good light shine down there.